Laws of dividing signed numbers. There are two cases. The case number one is when you have same signs. When you have the same signs. For example, when you have positive dividing positive, this one is giving us positive. And when you have negative dividing negative, this also is giving us a positive. Yes. Number C is for the case 2. This is the case 2. When you have different signs, you have different signs. So when you have like positive dividing negative, this is giving us negative. And number D is when you have negative dividing by positive to have negative. You see, those are 4 laws of dividing signed numbers. When you have the numbers of positive and two numbers are both positive, their quotient will be positive, and everything will be as it is shown here. For example, maybe you have plus 4 dividing plus 2. This is a positive, this is a positive. Positive dividing by positive, this is positive also. Now 4 divided by 2 will be 2. Like number B, here you have negative 10 dividing by negative 5. This is a negative, this is a negative. Now negative dividing by another negative is giving us positive. Now 10 divided by 5 is giving us 2. Number C, like you have plus 18 dividing by minus 3. Here you have positive, you have negative. When we are dividing numbers with different signs, the quotient will be negative. Now 18 dividing by 3 will be 6. Number D, we have negative 30 dividing by plus 5. We have negative dividing by positive. This is the case of different signs. So this is giving us negative quotient. Then 30 divided by 5 is giving us 6. Now our quotient is negative 6. So thank you for watching this video, and I will come you in the next video. See you.